Today, I'll show you how to add interactive content to your videos using AI agents. You can now easily integrate AI agents into any of your videos, and they unlock some powerful benefits. For example, this is useful for learning and training content, as it allows viewers to ask questions directly within the video, without ever having to leave it. But first, let's look at how to set up your AI agent. Start by creating your video as usual and finalize it. Once it's rendered, you'll be taken to the video landing page. From there, you can enhance your content in several ways. For example, by adding a quiz to check understanding, or including a description with useful links. For now, we'll focus on the Add an Interactive Video Agent section. Simply toggle the switch to activate the feature. By default, the agent uses the same avatar that appears in your video. If you want to change it, click the edit icon and choose from a wide selection of avatars. The AI agent automatically uses your video script as its main knowledge base. You can also add extra information via a text field. Once everything is set, click Save Changes to apply your updates. Before sharing your video, it's a good idea to test it using the preview function. What is the inflow system?
In the video, the inflow system is a quality assurance tool that tracks feedback, highlights issues early, and ensures nothing is overlooked, improving project quality. Would you like more details?
Once everything looks right, your agentic video is ready to go. Viewers can click Ask at any time to interact with the AI agent, and after the video ends, they'll be invited to continue the conversation if they want to explore further. You'll also have access to conversation analytics. Simply go to the Analytics section, enable the feature, and accept the terms. Then click View Analytics to explore the insights. Agentic videos are now available. So, go ahead and bring your videos to life with AI agents and create a more interactive experience for your audience.